Today we are going to study acid, base and salt. It is the second chapter of chemistry of standard 10. First of all, we have to define acid according to old concept. Acid is that substance which is sour in taste and turns blue litmus into red. And base is that substance which has bitter taste and turns red litmus into blue. But several scientists define acid and base differently. According to Arrhenius concept of acid base, hydrogen containing those substances which on dissolving in water produce hydrogen ion are known as acids, and hydroxide containing those substances which on dissolving in water produce hydroxide ion are known as base. Example, HCl is acid because HCl on dissolving in water. Aqueous means HCl dissolved in water. Solution of HCl in water is known as aqueous solution of HCl. HCl on dissolving in water produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So HCl is a acid according to Arrhenius, and NaOH is a base because NaOH on dissolving in water produce sodium ion and hydroxide ion. After that, in 1923, Bronsted and Lowry developed a new concept of acid and base. According to Bronsted and Lowry concept, acid are those hydrogen containing substances which produce proton ion. Proton means H plus ion. H plus ion is known as proton. And base is that which on dissolving in water accept proton. In Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry, only difference in base. But according to Arrhenius and Bronsted, both acid produces H plus ion, that is proton, on dissolving in water. But base has a tendency to accept proton, according to Bronsted. Bronsted and Lowry developed a conjugated acid-base pair. Bronsted and Lowry concept clearly indicates acid are those substances which produce proton, and base are those substances which accept proton. Proton, that is H plus ion, is known as proton. In this case, HCl plus H2O, H3O plus Cl minus. H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. So HCl donate H plus ion, which has been accepted by H2O. So as acid, HCl is acid, and its conjugated base pair is Cl minus ion. Because Cl minus ion in reversible reaction, in backward reaction, Cl minus accept H plus ion donated by acid to convert into HCl. So it is very interesting to understand what is the conjugated base of acid. And for example, HCl is acid, its conjugated base pair is Cl minus ion. The negative part of acid is known as conjugated base of acid. For example, H2SO4, the conjugated base is sulfate ion. For example, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, conjugated base of phosphoric acid is phosphate ion. Similarly, in this case, H2O accept H plus ion. So H2O is a base because it has a tendency to accept proton donated by HCl and form H3O plus. In reverse, in backward direction, when H3O plus also donate proton which is accepted by Cl minus. So we can say base H2O is a base. Its conjugated acid is H3O plus. Now we have to study Lewis concept of acid and base. According to G. N. Lewis, acid is that electron deficient compound which have tendency to accept a pair of electrons, whereas base is that electron rich compound which has capacity to donate one lone pair of electrons. For example, NH3, for example, Lewis acid. Lewis acid. According to Lewis concept, electron deficient compound. If we consider AlCl3, there are only 6 electrons present on central atom aluminum. So it has no completed its octet. So it is considered as electron deficient compound. Similarly, FeCl3 is also electron deficient compound. All cations containing positive ions are electron deficient compound. So according to Lewis, these are the acids. If you consider SO3, sulfur trioxide, there is 12 electrons present on sulfur electron, but it is also electron deficient compound because 3 oxygen atom continuously withdraw electron from sulfur electron. There are 3 oxygen atoms which are continuously withdrawing, attracting electron from sulfur, and hence electron density decreases on sulfur atom, and due to this sulfur trioxide become electron deficient compound, and it is also Lewis acid. Now we have to also consider one or more lone pair containing compounds or anions are known as Lewis base. So we have considered all the 3 concepts of acid, base and salt according to Arrhenius concept, according to Bronsted and Lowry concept, and according to Lewis concept. All the 3 concepts, all the 3 scientists had already defined acid, base and salt. Thank you.